Handmade business ideas from home. The allure of handmade products lies in their unique character and the personal touch that craftspeople imbue in their creations. Starting a handmade business from home not only provides a platform to showcase your creativity, but also offers the opportunity to earn. Here's a curated list of handmade business ideas you can explore from the comfort of your home. Jewellery design. Craft unique pieces of jewelry using materials like beads, metals, or gemstones. Offer personalized designs to attract a loyal clientele. Candle making. Create artisanal candles with distinctive scents, shapes, and colors. Explore eco-friendly materials like soy or beeswax. Soap and bath bombs. Produce organic, skin-friendly soaps and effervescent bath bombs using natural ingredients and enticing fragrances. Pottery and ceramics. Mold clay into functional or decorative pottery and ceramics. Host online workshops sharing your skills with budding enthusiasts. Sewing and tailoring. Offer custom-made clothing, alterations, or create your line of apparel showcasing your sewing and design skills. Woodworking. Craft furniture, decor items, or toys using woodworking skills. Custom wooden signs or engraved items also hold market appeal. Leather crafting. Create leather goods like wallets, belts, or handbags. Personalization, like embossing initials, can add value. Knitting and crocheting. Crochet items like blankets, hats, or sweaters. Offer custom designs or seasonal collections. Paper crafting. Venture into paper crafting to create greeting cards, scrapbooks, or decorative paper goods. Handmade stationery also has a niche market. Painting and art prints. Create original paintings or digital art prints. Offer portrait commissions or thematic collections. Home decor crafting. Produce home decor items like wreaths, wall hangings, or table decor. Offer personalized or holiday-themed creations. Gourmet food crafting. If you're a culinary enthusiast, create gourmet food items like specialty sauces, baked goods, or custom blended teas and coffees. Herbal products. Craft herbal products like teas, tinctures, or salves using organic herbs. Offer products that promote wellness and relaxation. Starting a handmade business from home encapsulates the essence of entrepreneurship, blending passion with profit. It's imperative to research the market, understand the legal and business aspects, and cultivate an online presence through a website and social media to reach a wider audience. The handmade market is vibrant, and with the right approach, your crafted goods can find a loving home across the globe. The realm of handmade business holds a plethora of opportunities for creative individuals. The ideas listed above are avenues through which you can channel your crafting skills into a fruitful venture right from home.